Copy. One on foot.
You pulled into the fire station. White male, black sweatshirt, brown shorts.
10-4.
Crawford Road. He's northbound on Crawford Road, heading back towards Damson.
Copy, northbound on Crawford towards Damson.
I'm coming up on you. Keep giving me updates. Right, take Crawford off of Damson. He's running on the road. He's just way ahead of me. Alright, I see you. Should be right in between us. K-9 for Linwood's coming. Alright, he's somewhere between me and you, Britt. I copy. He definitely didn't go to eastbound. I think he went westbound country yards. I can hear some bushes. You got a couple of SNOCOM units from 196 and 95. Right in here somewhere, Britt. That his address is 203 Crawford. Okay, I'm at 203. Somebody go to secure my car at the fire station. I'll get in. Unit coming northbound, head over to the west, hit one of these side streets. Talking to Mom.
Linwood, Link 1. I'm at 204 in Crawford.
If he didn't go to the house, he went behind it, might be heading to the neighborhood behind.
Are those two Lincoln 1 at 204 in Crawford?
Yep.
Thank you.
One boy, I'm Crawford and Logan Road, unless they want me closer. He's reporting that unsigned stolen.
Copy, unsigned stolen.
Correction, RO. Your car is locked, Matt.
We got anybody down 10th Avenue behind the house?
Okay, how many units I got on containment? Boy 12, I'm in the area, in the new development off 207th and Damson.
Copy.
51 Sam, units start calling out containment spot. Boy 9.
Boy 9.
Contain Crawford to the east, and then west of there. He's somewhere between the 20800 block and Damson Road. He definitely went westbound. He did not go eastbound. Just try to shoot for between like the 20300 block and 20100 block of Crawford and out.
south there, a containment spot.
Coast Good 1, Damson, Logan, 1 about 11th Ave and Crawford, 1 at Crawford and Damson, and I'm at 203rd and Damson.
29 dogs out.
Charles Saute, Crawford, and Damson.
I'll take Damson, Logan.
Copy 2 Lincoln 3.
Boy 3, I'll be at Logan, Crawford.
Jump on.
Charles 102.
We could probably use somebody at the RO's house, just in case she wasn't telling the truth.
Boy 2, I'll head up there.
Jump on.
Through a fence behind the RO's address.
Copy through the fence behind the RO address.
LA Terrace 2-1, I'm at 11th and Crawford.
Charles 1, no Jones, and we are in a cul-de-sac to the west of the RO.
Copy, air so close, no phone.
Who's at Crawford and Damson?
We are at the intersection of 203rd and 10th Ave West.
Copy 210.
Charles 1, Lawson is 10.
Copy 10.
Now we're working it out here somewhere.
Charles 1, 11th and Lawson.
Sam, do you want to go up 11th Ave as far as you can, or else go around to 198 Bing Road here?
I think we're going to turn back and try to restart here.
Okay, we're going to work back into the development here. We missed a turn. There was about 2 or 3 different streets. We're checking out real quick.
Boy 9 to boy 2.
Right.
Are you at the house?
I am.
There should be a female and 2 younger kids inside. We didn't go in to check the rest, but she said there shouldn't be anybody else there. This kid looked to be mid-20s, maybe 5'10", 5'8", 160, 70 pounds.
Copy, I didn't catch. White male, black male.
He looked to be maybe mix or dark-skinned white male.
Copy. One of the kids here says he saw a male matching that description run by the house, and then he saw you chasing him.
May have ran in the back door or front door, maybe.
Check.
Do you want me to come up there, Murph?
Negative.
51 Sam, I'm at Crawford in Olympic Place.
Copy.
What color pants?
Color pants?
Yeah.
Khaki shorts. He was definitely better dressed than most tweakers we deal with. back in the playground area behind the RO's house.
Copy, playground area behind our house.
Do we have anybody on 11th Ave?
Or one's at 11th and lot.
Copy.
Wait, 2 of you inside. Charles 3, are you with the car?
No.
Can somebody go to the car and see if the keys are in it? Might explain something.
Boyd 12 will be there in a second.
Yep. 1 boy 2.
Yeah, keys are in it, cell phone's here. There's a wallet on the front passenger seat.
2 boy 12, I copy. And boy 2, somebody was trying to get a hold of you.
Good. Are you in the house? Yes. Boy 12, boy 2. Okay, we tracked again from the house, back path through the backyard, into a back cul-de-sac, trying to work out from there. We're not getting much away from there.
Boy 9, I found the sweatshirt in the upstairs bedroom of the house. Boy 9 and 8.
He's clear, looks like interim license 10/2015 on the Linwood.
You with him upstairs? Okay, I'm putting dog up.
Boy 9 resisting.
Copy, resisting.
Is he at the house?
He was upstairs, last he said.
Taser deployed.
Copy, Chief. Boy 2, confirming you're with Boy 9.
Affirm. Where's the RO address?
Confirm, thank you.
Okay, there's several of us here.
Boy 9, 10-15 open there.
Copy, 1 in custody. Air's open at 1:39.
Boy 9, we need an 8 car out front of the house.
Already advising.